Hello everyone and welcome. I'm excited to introduce you to our presentation today. We'll be talking about Xunieeq, our innovative AI-integrated reusable bulbs. These patented bulbs are designed to significantly cut e-waste, up to 80%, while providing better functionality. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how our technology works, the benefits it offers, and the impact it can make. Let's get started. The future of lighting is here, and I'm excited to share our vision with you. At Xunieeq, we're pioneering the next generation of electrical products by integrating artificial intelligence into reusable designs. Our goal is to fundamentally change how consumers interact with everyday devices, making them smarter, more sustainable, and more convenient. Our flagship product, the Universal Reusable Light Bulb, also known as the URLB, is at the heart of this vision. It's set to revolutionize the 400 crore bulb market in India, which is currently growing at a healthy 8% compound annual growth rate. This isn't just about a new product. It's about transforming the entire lighting experience, making it more efficient, eco-friendly, and aligned with the future of smart technology. Let's take a closer look at the massive market opportunity we're exploring today. The electrical and electronics equipment market is really on the rise. It's projected to grow from about $4,032 billion in 2024 to roughly $5,194 billion by 2028. That's a significant increase, and it reflects a compound annual growth rate of around 7.5%. What's especially interesting is that the sustainability segment within this market is actually experiencing the fastest growth. This is driven largely by increasing regulatory pressures worldwide, pushing companies and industries to adopt greener, more sustainable practices. This rapid growth presents a huge opportunity for us, aligning perfectly with our overall theme of innovation and sustainability. It's clear that this market isn't just expanding, it's evolving quickly, and there's a lot of potential for those who are ready to capitalize on these trends. Our MVP, or minimum viable product, is the Universal Reusable Light Bulb. What makes this so exciting is that it's built on patented technology, specifically patent number 556,707. This patent gives us a significant edge, offering 33 utility benefits over traditional bulbs, including interchangeable components that make it versatile and user-friendly. One of the biggest advantages is its potential to drastically reduce e-waste. By designing a light bulb that can be reused multiple times, we can cut down e-waste by up to 80%. This is a game changer for sustainability and environmental impact. And to make it even smarter, we've integrated AI features. The bulb is compatible with popular voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for hands-free control. Plus, there's a dedicated mobile app that provides full control over the bulb's settings, schedules, and more. All of these features tie into our overall mission, creating innovative, sustainable lighting solutions that are both convenient and environmentally responsible. Let's talk about how our lighting system truly enhances your experience with AI. First, we have RGB adaptable lighting, which means you can change colors and set the ambience to match your mood, the time of day, or even special occasions. And the best part is, you can do this effortlessly with voice commands, making it super convenient. Next, we've integrated audio notifications, so you'll receive alerts directly through your smart devices about anything important, like errors, energy consumption, or maintenance needs. It keeps you informed without having to check multiple apps or screens. Finally, our system is compatible with both AC and DC power options. This versatility ensures that the lighting functions smoothly across different settings, even during power fluctuations. All of these features come together to create a smarter, more adaptable environment, aligning perfectly with the overall goal of making your space more convenient and responsive through AI technology. Now, let's talk about the validation and proof of our concept. With the support of IIT Kharagpur's eCell, we've already taken significant steps forward. We've collected light bulb e-waste directly from the campus and also from local rag pickers, which has helped us understand the waste stream better. Additionally, we've successfully installed over 500 reusable bulbs in Gol Bazaar Railway Market in Kharagpur, West Bengal, demonstrating that our solution works in real-world settings and can be scaled up. I'm also excited to share that we've secured our first paid pilot project, with an advance payment of 50,000 rupees, showing that there is genuine interest and demand for what we're offering. Finally, we've signed 5 non-disclosure agreements with potential manufacturing partners, which is a crucial step toward building a strong supply chain and ensuring the quality and scalability of our product. All these milestones validate our approach and give us confidence as we move forward in this journey. Let's take a closer look at the URLB advantage and what sets it apart from the competition. First, one of the key features is AI integration, which is marked with a check here. This means our system leverages artificial intelligence to enhance performance and user experience. In contrast, BAJAJ, PHILIPS, and HAVLLS do not currently incorporate AI, giving URLB a significant edge in innovation. Next, we see that URLB offers interchangeable and reusable components. This flexibility not only helps in customization, but also supports sustainability by reducing waste. Again, this feature isn't available with the other brands, making URLB more adaptable and eco-friendly. Hardware customization is another critical advantage. Our system allows for tailored hardware solutions to meet specific needs, unlike the other brands which have fixed hardware setups. This customization leads to better performance and user satisfaction. User-friendly repair is also a standout feature for URLB. We prioritize ease of maintenance, which can save time and costs for users. The other brands don't emphasize this aspect, often making repairs more complicated. Resale value is an important consideration for many consumers, and here, URLB again has the upper hand. Our products tend to retain their value better over time, which is a strong selling point. Finally, we see planned obsolescence marked with a check for BAJAJ, PHILIPS, and HAVLLS. This indicates that these brands often design products with a limited lifespan to encourage repeat purchases. Conversely, URLB does not follow this approach, supporting longer-lasting products and promoting sustainability. Overall, these features highlight how URLB is positioned as a more innovative, customizable, and sustainable choice in the market. Let's talk about the value proposition of our offering. First, on the economic benefits. By using reusable components and extending the product lifecycle, we can reduce your lifetime lighting costs by up to 70%. That's a significant saving over time, making this not just an innovative choice, but a financially smart one. Moving on to the environmental impact, our solutions can decrease electronic waste by as much as 80%. This aligns perfectly with India's ambitious net-zero carbon emission targets, helping you contribute to a greener future while benefiting from sustainable technology. Now, on the technological edge, our products offer AI-enhanced living experiences. They adapt to user preferences and behaviors, providing smarter, more intuitive features that improve everyday life. And finally, our value-based pricing strategy ensures that while we position ourselves as a premium brand, we also deliver exceptional return on investment to our customers. It's about providing real value and innovation that truly pays off. All these points tie back to our overall goal: delivering smarter, more sustainable, and cost-effective solutions for the future. Let's take a closer look at our go-to-market strategy. Our target market primarily consists of cost-conscious and environmentally aware B2B and B2G customers who are actively seeking sustainable solutions. Engaging this segment is crucial because it aligns with our mission to promote eco-friendly practices while delivering value. Our marketing plan emphasizes pilot projects and rental programs, allowing potential clients to experience our offerings firsthand with minimal risk. We also plan to build strong CSR partnerships with major corporations, which can boost credibility and visibility in the marketplace. When it comes to sales, we're focusing on direct targeting, leveraging SEO to increase our online visibility, and participating in trade shows where we can connect directly with industry leaders. Strategic partnerships within the industry will also help us expand our reach and credibility. To measure our progress, we have key performance indicators in place. These include tracking the environmental impact of our solutions, conversion rates from free samples, growth in B2B sales, the percentage of repeat orders, and customer feedback scores. These metrics will help us ensure that our strategy is on track and continuously improving, ultimately supporting our overall goal of fostering sustainable business practices. Let's take a closer look at our strategic revenue streams. First, we have license leasing. This involves forming partnerships with manufacturers to implement our patented technology, creating a steady source of recurring income. It's a scalable way to expand our reach without directly managing each product. Next, there are product sales. We sell our URLBs directly to businesses and government entities, offering premium feature upgrades that generate additional revenue. This direct sales approach helps us build strong relationships and provides high-margin opportunities. Then we have rentals and subscriptions. This service-based model allows businesses to pay per use, with maintenance included. It provides flexibility for our clients and a consistent revenue flow for us, aligning well with ongoing service needs. Finally, there are carbon credits, specifically Tiger Standard nature-based credits. These not only support environmental sustainability, but can also deliver up to 50% investment returns, making them a compelling part of our diversified revenue strategy. Overall, these streams, licensing, product sales, rentals and subscriptions, and carbon credits, complement each other and reinforce our mission to generate sustainable, recurring income while advancing environmental impact. Now, let's take a look at our current strategic partnerships. We've collaborated with IIT Kharagpur's eCell to support innovation, which helps us stay at the forefront of new ideas and technological advances. We're also working with Tiger Standard to develop nature-based carbon credits. This aligns with our commitment to sustainability and environmental impact. In addition, we've partnered with X-Men Manpower for outsourcing and marketing, allowing us to scale our operations efficiently. We're also engaging with state government incubators to build the necessary infrastructure to grow our initiatives effectively. Looking ahead, we are actively negotiating paid pilot projects with prestigious institutions like IIT Bombay, IIT Mandi, and Wipro. These pilots will enable us to test and validate our solutions at a larger scale. Now, turning to our PPP, or public-private partnership model, we're focusing on creating collaborations with key players. This includes major IIT institutions to leverage academic expertise, ITIs for technical training to build workforce capacity, and self-help groups to foster community impact. Finally, we're working with government incubators to help us scale our solutions more broadly. These partnerships are critical. They provide the resources, expertise, and infrastructure needed to accelerate our growth and maximize our impact across different sectors. Let's talk about our traction and progress, which really show that we're moving from planning to action. First, we've received a $50,000 advance payment for one paid pilot project. This is a strong indicator of market interest and commitment from our customers. It's a key milestone that validates our concept and builds confidence in our approach. Next, we've signed 5 NDAs with manufacturing partners. These agreements are crucial because they pave the way for collaboration on our light bulb production process, ensuring that we can move forward smoothly and securely with our partners. We also have a letter of intent from West Bengal ITI for a pilot project focused on AI and reusable technology. While the legal agreement is still pending, this LOI demonstrates serious interest and potential support from a reputable institution, which adds credibility to our efforts. On the production side, we've developed a detailed plan to assemble 5,000 reusable light bulbs under one roof. This shows that we're not just conceptual, but are actively preparing for large-scale manufacturing, which is a significant step forward. Finally, we're in advanced sales negotiations with notable players like IIT Bombay, IIT Mandy, and Wipro for paid pilot projects. These discussions are promising and highlight the growing confidence in our technology and its potential applications. All of these points together reinforce that we are making tangible progress, validating our ideas through real actions, and setting the stage for future growth. Let's take a moment to introduce the core leadership team behind this venture. First, we have G. Ravi Kumar, our founder and director, who holds an 80% equity stake. He's a second-generation entrepreneur with a deep and extensive background in electrical manufacturing, which really adds valuable industry expertise to our organization. Next, B. Suresh Kumar, our director with a 10% stake, is often called the hustler because of his relentless drive in business development. He's the one actively forging new strategic partnerships across various sectors, helping us grow and expand our reach. Finally, we have Archana Doval, our legal advisor. She's not only providing critical guidance on regulatory compliance and intellectual property rights, but also mentors startups through the Startup India program. Her expertise ensures that we stay on the right side of legal and regulatory frameworks as we scale. Together, this leadership team embodies a mix of industry experience, strategic vision, and legal acumen, key ingredients that fuel our overall growth and success. Let's take a closer look at the investment opportunity we have here. First, the funding requirements are divided into key areas. About 50% of the funding will be allocated to carbon credit returns, which we plan to generate through trading Tiger standard credits. This is a significant part of our revenue model, emphasizing the importance of sustainability and environmental impact. Next, 20% of the funds are targeted for equity returns, giving our investors a chance to see a projected annual ROI on their equity stake. Then, 10% is dedicated to debt returns, which are guaranteed, providing a steady and reliable return on debt investments. Moving on to unit economics, we have two main product streams. The first is new reusable light bulbs, specifically 40-watt models. The raw materials for these bulbs cost around Rs 100, with additional expenses for manpower, utilities, packaging, and logistics. Each bulb is priced at a maximum retail price of 280 rupees for the Model X and higher for premium models. The second product stream involves refurbished light bulbs made from e-waste. These 40-watt bulbs are more cost-effective, with raw materials costing about Rs 40 and similar expenses for manpower, packaging, and logistics. The MRP for these refurbished bulbs is approximately Rs 180, making them an affordable and eco-friendly alternative. Now, regarding our initial investment of around 2 crore rupees, which is roughly $0.233 million USD. This capital will cover the development of a paid pilot project, protection of our intellectual property across 7 countries, and the creation of 5,000 URLB samples. Additionally, it will help us develop a comprehensive 2 billion business plan, setting the foundation for scaling up and expanding our impact. Overall, this slide highlights a balanced approach to funding, strong unit economics, and a clear pathway toward growth and sustainability. Let's talk about our zero-risk strategy for investors. Our approach to risk mitigation is carefully designed to protect your investment while maximizing potential returns. Currently, the market price for Tiger standard carbon credits is around Rupee 1,667, but we project it could rise to about 2,500 post-investment. This means there's a potential return of up to 50%, regardless of how market conditions fluctuate. We've adopted a bootstrapped approach, which reflects our commitment to fiscal discipline and capital efficiency, making sure every rupee is used wisely to build sustainable growth. On the revenue front, we've already secured paid pilots with advance payments, so we're generating immediate revenue and demonstrating market validation right from the start. Our intellectual property is protected through a patent, with international protection underway, safeguarding our technology and innovations. And finally, our market demand is well validated. Over 500 installations and multiple NDAs with manufacturers confirm strong, ongoing interest and commitment from key partners. All these points come together to create a robust, low-risk investment opportunity aligned with our overall mission of sustainable growth and innovation. Join the e-waste recycling revolution with us today. This isn't just about recycling, it's about transforming India's e-waste future. At Xunieeq, we're not merely creating products, we're building a sustainable ecosystem that tackles 3 critical challenges. First, we're reducing e-waste by promoting reusable technology, helping to cut down the tons of electronic waste piling up each year. Second, we aim to decrease our dependence on Chinese imports, fostering greater self-reliance and local innovation. And third, we're creating local manufacturing jobs, which boosts the economy and empowers communities. This is more than a business. It's a movement towards a greener, more sustainable India. Together, we can make a real difference and lead the way into a cleaner, more sustainable future.